Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Asad Tech. Today we are going to tell you about an app, Google Map Viewer, and the Google Street View available. So create and publish a photo path as you travel along a street or trail. Fresh UI makes it easy to create, organize. Create your own street view, imaginary or virtually explore the world. Now, so travel and local maps and navigation maps. 4.5 star rating, 4.4 star ratings, 2 million reviews, rated for 3 plus, 1 billion plus downloads. Some pics. Here's the London Park in London, and Tikal, GTM, and USA National Park, USA, and photo path, photosphere, import 360 photo, connect 360 camera, and here, and here's 360 camera view. Keep camera pointed straight ahead, and here street view in this area, and here are some areas available and some others. So safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security may vary based on your use region and age. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types: location, personal info, and 5 others. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request the data be deleted. And here it is, 4.4 star rating. Some reviews about this app. So go up, let's open this app. Got it. So top results in this area, and here are some results. You need to I don't need. Let's go to take a view of Poland. Here nothing. And here's map view, and here's some others. And here you can, and here, and go up, and let's take this petrol, and so this area, and here's the whole world available in this app, and here's India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi, and many much more countries. So you can look at any location of any country. So create and publish a photo path as you travel along a street or trail. Fresh UI makes it easy to create, organize, and publish imagery to Street View. Track your contribution progress with the Street View badge, several bug fixes, and other improvements. Android 7.1 and up offer the Google released on December 2010. Camera content. So, my experience with this app is very good. For more technical videos, tech, and like share this video.